Today we fast forward to the 1980s and shine the spotlight on another Italian stallion, the Lamborghini Jalpa. The Jalpa made its debut from 1981 to 1988, capturing the essence of automotive exhilaration with its sleek design and thrilling performance. Designed as a successor to the iconic silhouette, the Jalpa was a testament to Lamborghini's commitment to innovation and excellence. With its angular lines and aggressive stance, this mid-engined marvel exuded an air of confidence and power, signaling to the world that Lamborghini was here to stay. Underneath its striking exterior lay a potent V8 engine, delivering a symphony of power and precision. With a displacement of 3.5 litres and producing around 255 horsepower, the Jalpa was no slouch on the road, capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 6 seconds. But what truly set the Jalpa apart was its refined interior and everyday usability. Unlike its predecessors, the Jalpa offered a comfortable cabin with modern amenities, making it the perfect choice for drivers looking to combine performance with practicality. Crafted with the same attention to detail and precision engineering that defined Lamborghini, each Jalpa was a masterpiece in its own right. From its hand-built engine to its meticulously crafted body panels, a true marvel of automotive engineering crafted by the brilliant minds at Lamborghini. Designed by the legendary Marcello Gandini, the Jalpa was born from a vision to create a high-performance sports car that didn't compromise on style or speed. Working tirelessly, the Lamborghini team meticulously crafted every curve and contour, pushing the boundaries of design innovation. But it's not just about looks. Under the hood, the Jalpa packs punch, thanks to its V8 engine developed by Lamborghini's finest engineers. With a top speed of over 150 miles per hour and 0 to 60 time, the Jalpa is more than just a pretty face. It's a performance powerhouse. And here's a fun fact. Named after a breed of fighting bulls, the Jalpa embodies the fierce spirit and unwavering determination of its namesake. Marcello Gandini is an Italian car designer renowned for his iconic work with various automotive brands. Born on August 26, 1938 in Turin, Italy, Gandini's career in car design began in the 1960s when he joined the renowned design firm Bertone. During his time at Bertone, Gandini created some of the most groundbreaking and memorable automotive designs of the era. His portfolio includes legendary cars such as the Lamborghini Miura, considered by many as the world's first supercar, as well as the Lamborghini Countach, known for its futuristic and angular design. Gandini's innovative approach to car design revolutionized the automotive industry, influencing generations of designers, leaving an indelible mark on automotive history. His work continues to be celebrated and admired by enthusiasts and collectors around the world. Marcello Gandini died on March 13, 2024, and he'll be remembered and revered by automotive enthusiasts everywhere. Throughout its history, Bertone collaborated with many prestigious automotive brands, including Alfa Romeo, Fiat, Lamborghini, Lancia, and others. The company gained widespread recognition for its innovative designs and craftsmanship. One of Bertone's most significant contributions to automotive design came in the 1960s and 1970s, when it worked closely with manufacturers like Lamborghini and Alfa Romeo to create some of the most iconic and influential cars of the era. Marcello Gandini, a renowned designer, played a pivotal role in shaping Bertone's design language during this period. Bertone's portfolio includes legendary vehicles such as the Lamborghini Miura, Lamborghini Countach, Alfa Romeo Montreal, the Fiat X1/9, among others. These cars not only showcased Bertone's design prowess, but also helped solidify its reputation as one of the leading automotive design firms in the world. Despite facing financial challenges in the late 20th century, Bertone continues to produce innovative designs and concepts. However, the company ultimately declared bankruptcy in 2014, marking the end of an era in automotive design. Despite its closure, Bertone's legacy lives on through the timeless designs it created. Today, enthusiasts and collectors continue to admire and celebrate Bertone's contributions to automotive design and craftsmanship. Iconic Lamborghini Jalpa, a marvel of automotive engineering from 1981 to 1988. Born in the era of excess and innovation, the Jalpa carved its place in history with its striking design and impressive performance. Designed by Marcello Gandini, the Jalpa boasts a sleek and aggressive exterior with signature Lamborghini styling cues that turn heads even today. Its low-slung profile, pop-up headlights, and angular lines exude timeless Italian flair. From the premium materials to the ergonomic layout, every detail screams performance and luxury. Under the hood lies a mid-mounted V8 engine, delivering exhilarating power and acceleration. With its rear-wheel drive layout and precise handling, the Jalpa offers an unforgettable driving experience. From its innovative removable targa top to its advanced suspension system, the Jalpa was ahead of its time in terms of technology and performance. Each element meticulously crafted to deliver the ultimate driving pleasure. In its short production span, the Lamborghini Jalpa left an indelible mark on automotive enthusiasts worldwide, a testament to Lamborghini's commitment to pushing the boundaries of speed, style, and sophistication. This is the Lamborghini Jalpa, a timeless icon of automotive excellence. It debuted at the 1981 Geneva Motor Show alongside the Lamborghini LM001 concept off-road vehicle. The Jalpa was the last Lamborghini to use a V8 engine until the Urus SUV in 2018. Lamborghini Jalpa with the optional rear wing, also called Lamborghini Jalpa P350. The Jalpa was the development of the earlier Silhouette, intended to fill a role as a more affordable Lamborghini, being much less expensive than the flagship Countach and being also designed by Bertone. Compared to the Countach, the Jalpa was much easier to drive, having better visibility and being more traceable in heavy traffic, more tractable in heavy traffic and at slow speeds, although reviewers have noted that it had heavy steering and acceleration. The name Jalpa came from the famous breed of fighting bulls, a tradition later followed with the Gallardo. The 3.5-litre transverse V8 engine used in the Jalpa, along with attached transmission, rear suspension components, and rear brakes. The Jalpa was fitted with a 3.5-litre double overhead camshaft version of the V8 engine used in the Silhouette, on which it was based. The version used in the Jalpa had a power output of 255 horsepower at 7,000 RPM. The engine in the US models a power output of 250 horsepower. Fuel flow was managed by 4 twin-barrel downdraft Weber 42 DCNF carburetors. Lamborghini claimed the Jalpa could accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 6 seconds and a top speed of 155 miles per hour. Curb weight was 3,329 pounds. The performance of the Jalpa was compared to the entry-level Ferrari 328, which was based on the older Ferrari 308. Classic and Sports Car magazine quoted 0 to 60 mile per hour acceleration time of 6.8 seconds, while Car and Driver reported a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time of 5.8 seconds. When Lamborghini was sold in 1980, the plastic components, bumpers, air takes, and engine cover were black, and the car carried over the rectangular taillights of the silhouette along with the Targa top body style. This was changed in 1984 when round taillights were fitted and the black plastic parts were replaced by parts in body color. In 1988, after falling sales of new ownership by Chrysler, Lamborghini decided to end Jalpa production despite its being Lamborghini's most successful V8 car to date, after the Urraco having sold 410 units. So as we celebrate the legacy of the Lamborghini Jalpa, let us raise a toast to a true icon of its time, a car that embodied the spirit of the 1980s in all its glory and continues to captivate enthusiasts with its timeless design and exhilarating performance.